How's it going, everybody? Live from Venice Beach, California, it is the Photoshop giveaway with Gary Bradley.
Hey, folks, how you doing?
So, if you've been following my feed, which, okay, let's face it, many people aren't, but in case you were and you signed up for our free Photoshop giveaway of Mastering Adobe Photoshop 2026, today is the day that we announced the big winner. I am sitting here with Gary Bradley, the Adobe certified instructor, author of Mastering Adobe Photoshop 2026 by Packt Publishing. And let me tell you, it is packed with a lot of really good information, creative techniques, workflows, AI, Firefly, Express, old school tools, new school techniques. He's covered all the bases. Gary has been an Adobe certified instructor teaching Photoshop for over 13 years. He's been using Photoshop since 1994, and he's currently teaching at Sheffield College, doing graphic design. And I'd like to welcome the author of Mastering Adobe Photoshop 2026, the author himself, Mr. Gary Bradley.
Oh, Mark, thank you so much. You're too kind, honestly, too kind. And thank you so much for inviting me on here for the big winners reveal. So I'm excited.
Well, good to have you here. I'm thankful for you to help us with this Photoshop giveaway. Just had a few questions. So sure. You obviously have a lot of credentials. You've been using Photoshop for a long time. I myself am also an Adobe certified instructor, and I have to say that I did learn some new workflows, new creative techniques from your book, which was pretty cool because I've been using Photoshop myself for also 30 plus years, just like you have. But I'm just curious, what makes your book so special?
Well, the thing is, when I was approached to write this book over the years, I'd read so many good books on Photoshop that were from the perspective of a photographer. And because my background's in graphic design, I think the thing that I wanted to do was create a book that appealed to people who were doing all kinds of things with Photoshop. If you're working in marketing or you're a designer or some kind of way that you're communicating with people on different platforms, whether that is social media, whether it's print, it was kind of a reference manual to go to if you had to bring a brand to life with a mock-up on a phone or in print somewhere. Kind of do creative things with Photoshop to make images more engaging. For me, it was more about taking what I'd learned as a graphic designer over the last 26 years and pouring all of that experience into a book, covering all the basics of Photoshop, going right back to the original tools, how those older workflows work, why the tools work the way they do, but also incorporating the things that make it quicker and more intuitive, the Firefly stuff, sure. Also acknowledging those original tools and techniques.
Great to hear it. So I'm just curious. So I know I also have been teaching at Adobe Authorized Training Centers, as you have, and I know currently you're teaching graphic design. What does that entail? And what are some of the projects you're working on with students?
We cover a broad range of topics, giving students, a look back at the last 100 years of graphic design and illustration. So they'll have a go at stuff like Bauhaus, recreating a pop art image of Marilyn Monroe, right through to minimalism and all those kind of things. And a bit of motion graphics as well. So really just trying to expose students to all the possibilities that they could have as a career as a graphic designer.
Kind of like a nurse doing, or a doctor doing rotations around the hospital, finding out what their niche is going to be. You're kind of covering all the bases there.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So I'm just curious, in this day and age, I definitely incorporate AI a lot into my work. And I'm just curious, is it just constant AI or what kind of skill sets are you teaching them? And how does that parlay to the book?
For the students, AI is definitely not going away. AI really is something that everybody kind of needs to get on board with because it is giving people an edge. It's making things faster, simpler, easier. One of the first things we give them is a kind of a low threshold task where they get to create their alternate ego. So they can now, imagine themselves in whatever kind of scenario or scene or a different planet, whatever that is. They just let their imagination go wild. Within a few prompts, you can create a whole visual or drop themselves into a different world. And they'll very quickly see what kind of things they can do with software and visuals. But fundamentally, when we're working on projects, we always go back to those tried and tested tools. So they do know how to mask properly and they do know how to color correct. So they're going back to those old tools. But we're still also making sure that they're aware of these new, faster, more fluid workflows with the help of AI. They really go hand in hand.
So you're still teaching the way you did 20 years ago, teaching all the tools, the layers, the selections, masking. It just is like an extra is the additive of AI. Would you agree with that?
It is. When you're designing something, AI has this great place now where you can ideate really quickly, but ultimately the focus is on human-made content.
Yeah, I agree. A lot of people, they call it AI slop, but the producer didn't act in the movie. The producer didn't write the script. The producer didn't frame all the video and the shots, right? Yeah. The producer isn't the amazing actor behind the scenes or the lighting guy or all these people that are involved. But what is he? He's the vision. So it's kind of like we're still the vision and we're using these tools, and Firefly and AI are kind of just helping push that forward, I think, is how I'm using Photoshop. So there's still, without a doubt, always more to learn, and we need to start from the basics in Photoshop. And I think your book does that, and then it also gives us more.
There is a whole chapter dedicated to AI. You can't just sort of type stuff in and expect to get what you want. It's like any tool. You've got to learn how to work with it and adapt.
Even making a selection, the selection that we make is going to aid the model, depending on the model we're using for the AI. So even having access to these various selection tools in Photoshop is great. Anyway, I think it's time. Everyone's waiting. They probably want to know who is the winner of this free Photoshop Mastering 2026 giveaway. All right. So here's our wheel of names. All the people, we took all the people that have entered through our LinkedIn, and thank you so much for playing. And we put them on a wheel, and we're going to spin the wheel. The very first winner is going to be for the actual book, the hardcover. Whoa! Mastering Adobe Photoshop! By the way, trainer, author, and international speaker Rob DeWinter wrote the foreword for this book. James Carrington, the commercial director at UNRVLD.
Unrivaled,
also wrote parts of the foreword there, right?
Yeah, I did. I'm so grateful to everybody who worked on this book and contributed. I've had so much amazing support. So thank you, everybody.
So here we go. Who's going to be the big winner for Mastering Adobe Photoshop 2026? Let's go!
Spin that wheel.
Where it stops, nobody knows.
We need a drum roll.
Zubair Salim is the big winner!
Congratulations.
Woo! Good job, Sabir. You just won a brand new copy of this book, Mastering Adobe Photoshop by Gary Bradley. Packt will contact you and send that book straight to your house. Congratulations. But
I hope you enjoy it.
Yes, but wait, that's not all. There's more.
Yeah.
Because now we have two more winners coming up. Two more winners for the Mastering Adobe Photoshop 2026 free PDF. Are we ready? Sabir, congratulations. And here we go. The next spin for the first PDF for Mastering Adobe Photoshop. Ready? Boom! Spin that wheel! Let's go! Where it stops, nobody knows. Let's go! And the winner is... John, it's almost you, John. I'm sorry, but Lut Van Newton! Congratulations! Lut is the winner. Free PDF of Mastering Photoshop 2026. Congratulations, Lut.
Sure hope that all these people love the book. I hope you enjoy learning Photoshop as much as I have.
I agree. It's a fun app to play with. Now you can actually rotate stuff within Photoshop. Craziness. But anyway, there's one more winner for the free PDF for Mastering Adobe Photoshop. And here we go. Spin that wheel.
What's last one?
Ow!
Bill!
Boom! We got a winner! Bill Van Patagam. God bless you. Did I pronounce that correctly? Congratulations, Real. You are the second winner for the Adobe Photoshop PDF that Packt will send to you. So they'll reach out and contact you. Congratulations to all of our winners.
Well done, everybody.
Round of applause.
Thank you so much for taking part, everybody.
Awesome, guys. I can't wait to see what you create with your new Photoshop book. Please comment, share, tag us both to let us know what you think of the
Post it
book
online
and what you've created. We'd love to see.
Yeah, definitely.
And a big thank you to Gary Bradley for being here and for, of course, putting all this time and research and work and experience into this book, Mastering Adobe Photoshop 2026.
Thank you so much, Mark. You're so
Gary,
kind.
Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you. It's been
Cheers,
a real
buddy.
pleasure. Thank you.